Hi everyone. We are answering now three questions from molecular basis of inheritance chapter. So in this chapter, these three questions related to genetic code. The first one, formulated methionine acts as a translation initiation in. So if we know that translation is a mechanism of protein synthesis. So generally this process takes place in cytoplasm in eukaryotes. So for this, the requirement is mRNA, tRNA plus amino acids. So here, mRNA is a transcriptionally active mRNA. It means it is already undergone some changes like splicing, okay, and capping, right, and poly-A tail all have this mRNA containing. Right. So now in this formulated methionine, as we know that the first codon on this mRNA is methionine always in eukaryotes. Right. So the corresponding tRNA will bring the amino acid to this codon AUG. Right. But here, but here the point is another type of methionine called formyl methionine. This formyl methionine is the starting codon. Is the okay translation initiation in importantly this eubacteria acts as a translation initiator. Translation initiation in bacteria, that is eubacteria. Do not confuse with archaebacteria. Both archaebacteria and eukaryotes methionine only. Methionine only. So this is an important question. If it comes, you have to choose eubacteria as an option. Formulated methionine acts as a translation initiation. Right, in eubacteria. Right. Coming to the second question, 26th question. Now, in this question, what he asked, which of the following codon is known as okra? If you want to know this, we must know the total number of codons in genetic code. In the 64 codons for the amino acids, which are 20. So the 61 codons codes for amino acids, and remaining 3 codons are stop codons, means they doesn't code any amino acid. These are called stop codons. So those stop codons are, number one is UAA, number two is UAA, UAG, and UZA. These three codons are what we call stop codons, because if those codons comes on mRNA, the translation stops. So their name is okra. UAA is okra, UAZ is a amber, and UZA is a opal. This is the another information related to this question. Second question, answer is UAA. UAA is a okra, UAZ is a amber. This is amber and this is opal. Then this UUU is a phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. Right? Hope the second question also clear. 25 and 26 is clear. Coming to 27th question solution, you have to understand which of the following is an ambiguous codon. See, as per genetic code characters, genetic code is Kamalas, continuous, degenerate, and non-ambiguous. This term is important. Non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous means very important. One codon. If you think one codon, if you take one codon, for example, phenylalanine. This phenylalanine, UUU, always codes for phenylalanine only. It never codes for any other amino acid. It never codes for any other amino acid. Right? This character is very important. This is called non-ambiguous. It never codes for any other amino acid. You take anything, right? You take any codon, right? So here the term ambiguous means one codon, one X codon codes for two amino acids, more than one amino acid, that is GUG. In this, GUG generally codes for valine it comes if it comes in the middle of mRNA, in middle of mRNA, right? But if it comes starting point, as I told you here, initiation starting codon, it codes for methionine. That is the it also codes for methionine if it comes from starting, if it comes starting codon. So now you can understand the answer is GUG, right? So hope you understood. Thank you.